Let us answer this question. Gaano po katagal ang process para makapasok as government employee? It varies per government office, so depende yan kung saan ka nag-a-apply. But how can you be sure kung gaano katagal ang hiring process is through the government agency's Citizens Charter. So sa Citizens Charter, nakalagay yung mga process na kailangan mong i-undertake. Doon din nakalagay kung gaano katagal per process. At the end of the Citizens Charter, makikita mo kung ilang araw yung total processing time nila para sa pagpaprocess ng mga application. Hindi lang pagpaprocess ng application ang may Citizens Charter. Meron din po yung ibang services or processes na ino-offer sa government agency. So for example, in our instance, since I am working at a hospital, meron kaming Citizens Charter for OPD or outpatient consultation. Meron din kami for emergency room and a lot more. You can find the Citizens Charter of a government agency mismo doon sa conspicuous area kung saan ka nag-a-avail ng service, or you can check it out doon sa official website ng government agency.